It's a little windy right now. I wonder if it's... Should I take this to up the mountain? It's kind of windy right now. Fuck it, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's a little windy, but let's go. Oh my God, there were two state troopers right there on the side of the road. I mean, I wasn't speeding, I'm going 65 on a 65, but I did accelerate pretty damn fast. Let me get a little higher up the road. Those tickets are not cheap, they're super expensive. A little bumpy there. Every time I do see construction, construction cones or construction workers, I definitely slow down, because I used to be one of them. I used to be a construction worker. I used to do road work, and it's a dangerous job, like working on interstates, working on main roads. Just a road period is dangerous, because your life is at risk. It really is at risk. I mean, you can get hit by a car at any time. So I'm using the Insta360 app, and and it's giving me a preview of what the camera is capturing, and so far on low light it looks good on my phone. Now when I take out the SD card and I start editing, I'm not sure if it's gonna look as good or not, so I'm gonna have to find out. I'm also breaking in these seats, so every time I kind of move left and right, I hear like the material kind of like, you know, it's like crumbling, it's like crunching, it's like settling, it's kind of like settling in. Jeez, I couldn't say settling. I'll make a U-turn here and see if I can get some flames for you. You guys want some flames? Yo, chat. Oh, okay, chat. That is all I have for you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. Let me know if you guys want me to create another video. I can definitely drive around the highways. El Paso has some really awesome new built highways, and they're pretty cool. Those highways also have, what is it called, those concrete barriers, so the noise is kind of trapped in there, so it makes their exhaust even louder.